I'm glad to see you again. You really want to change, don't you? That's why I'm here to help you. If you're new here, my name is Michael. I chose my own path. Right now, I'm a lecturer of My Life, My Vision educational community, where I teach men how to put their lives together. And if you want to become part of this excellent community, you can support us by becoming a member, a subscriber. I have a problem. Every time I talk about a specific topic, I tend to jump from one area to another. There is a lot of things I want to say. I really do. But their time didn't come yet. It's not happening today. These thoughts have to wait. Today I will continue on the topic addictions because it's something which is, in my opinion, worth to dig deeper. Let's begin. Times when I attended a grammar school are ago, just like learning for exams. I wouldn't call receiving information and then forgetting it the following day learning. It was hard to learn something I've never seen, never tried. It is hard to learn something you are not passionate about, nor interested in. I'm sorry, it won't work. And it didn't work for me either. You simply can't learn something you don't want to learn. Find a passion in learning. After the day I graduated, I reorganized my space. I rebuilt my room. And voila, it made a difference. It was no longer the same room. Pardon, it was not the same room anymore. I had a fresh feeling. This space had a new aura. Aura with no purpose. Yet I had to give this room a purpose. So I did. And it worked. I experienced a progress. Finally, after a long time, experienced progress in learning. It was just like that. So, if you want to make a change, you gotta start with your surrounding first. Another example, if you want to stop eating chocolate, you gotta stop buying it in the first place. Am I right? Change your surrounding first. There are more things that help me. Phone. You know what I mean. I would be on my phone instead of learning and preparing myself for an exam that I expected following day. Because learning felt too hard. I would say I would take a break because I feel exhausted. What the fuck? What I want you to do is to take your phone, just like that, and tell him, fuck you. Then lock it in another room. Then come back to studying. Simple question, simple answer. What do you eat? Chunk. Am I right? Believe it or not, but the things you eat do affect everything. We are what we eat, right? I had a routine. I would make a snack before studying, every time. A snack full of carbs, fructose, sucrose, etc. I thought this will pump my energy. My energy will skyrocket. No, skip that. For first, you gotta understand that we are the most productive in the morning because our stomachs are empty. Our energy is at its highest point. That's why I encourage you to study in the morning because of energy. Meals slowed me down, and now I want to learn. Am I stupid? Carbs will make you want to eat more. So when I ate one sheet, I wanted to eat another sheet. I learned nothing. I went to sleep with depression of not passing an exam, which fucked up my sleep totally. Don't learn in the evening, risking a sleep deprivation. Instead, study in the morning, when your energy is at its highest, right? It's at its highest point. I learn every day now. Not because I have to, but because I love to. I've made it a routine, and I'm obsessed now. I can't stop it now. I've made my self-made addiction. It's a good addiction, and this is no how you can get to this point too. It's up to you. Better yourself and stay true to who you are.